Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? Answer: J.R.D. Tata. In which year Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI) established? Answer: 1997. Who is known as the father of the Indian nuclear program? Answer: Homi J. Bhabha. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Answer: Kangaroo rat. Which city is called the fruit basket of India? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. What is the full form of CID? Answer: Crime Investigation Department. Where is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India located? Answer: Mumbai. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Answer: Kolkata. Which international organization was created as a result of North Atlantic Treaty, 1949? Answer: NATO. The Tartar tribe inhabits which part of the world? Answer: Siberia. What is the full form of OPEC? Answer: Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Which is the largest city of African continent? Answer: Cairo. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer: Rajasthan. Which city of the United States the headquarters of Google are located? Answer: Mountain View, California. What is the name of the first spacecraft that reached the Mars? Answer: Viking 1. What was the name of the spacecraft that landed the first humans on Moon? Answer: Apollo 11. The famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? Answer: West Bengal. Name the gulf between India and Sri Lanka. Answer: Gulf of Mannar. Which Indian state is known as the Garden of India? Answer: Assam. Which is the most spoken language in the world? Answer: Mandarin Chinese. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe